Another thing you could do to this is you can add the string format. You can use the string format to do the same thing. So here's an example. So if we take this, which is a string that we're going to pass in how to format, and then you could use dot notation to go ahead and invoke the format method. And what we're going to do is we're going to pass in make, which is Ferrari, and that's what's going to be formatted. So for example, if I run this, if I right click on this and I run it, you see that we get exactly the same thing. Well, what we probably want to do is to get it exactly the same, we'll do it something just like this, right? And we'll see that this make, it's exactly the same as that make, and so on and so forth. So you can do the same thing and possibly just do something just like this and do it, separate it with commas, right? We'll just do 2 so you can see what happens when we do label 2, and when we run this, we get something just like this, right? Same exact. So the thing to note here is that there's many different ways to do the same thing. For me, I like the F string, but that doesn't mean you have to use F string if you don't want to, but I'll tell you why I like it, and then you make your own decision. For me, the F string makes sense because I'm passing in what I want to format and how, right? Here, it seems like I'm doing a little bit in reverse. I'm saying how I want to format it and then what to format. So again, I like to say what, and then it kind of makes sense how afterwards, but either or, they both work. This is probably a little bit more typing as well. You have to lay out dot format. Here I don't have to do that. So again, minor little details, but just wanted to highlight what the format method does in string. So there you go.